let's go. So kayo, i-practice mo.
Sa video na, i-release ko dito.
Sumurot ka lang kami ganyan. Ito, mag-check-in muna kami ng luggage going to Hong Kong. Yan si Mother Earth. Ag-check-in tayo pa eh. Ipakilo na rin ito, ikilo na rin ito yung luggage na yun. Ano yung airline natin? Gamin, amoy airline tayo eh. Ni IGB makamoy. Anong number yung airline natin? Chicken Joy? Ikatum. Basura mo, basura mo. Ayun na, IGB.
Passport daw, wali ka nisa na pa.
Bigay nyo lahat sa kay Daisy. Para sa check-in, luggage. Check-in.
Pati yung cellphone.
Dito, dito lahat. Check-in sila JB at Daisy. Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog, hi
Hi
vlog,
vlog.
hi vlog,
Hi vlog. Nagkupo lang siya para hindi siya mapagod. Nag-check-in na po kami ng luggage. Ito yung mother bed. Pero alam nila, no? Ang liwang. They say, hindi na lang pang magob. Pang Hong Kong. First time ni Liwang.
Japan to na.
Japan to next time. Thailand ko naman, Thailand. Cebu Pacific. Si mother ko, 88 years old. Thank you, Lord. Sila sa immigration. Nakapasa silang lahat sa immigration. Yay! Nakapasa sila sa immigration. Congratulations! Kayang-kaya, no? Salamat kasi talagang question nila sila kung sino nag-sponsor, ganyan. Buti nag-antay ako sa kanila. At alam naman nila yung sinasagot nila. Very good. Kami sa boarding gate, going to Hong Kong. Hong Kong. So, yan si kuya ko, Jang. Tapos nandun si Liwang. Nasa boarding gate na sila. Ready na sila sa
Sa wakas,
this is
nakintaan
real.
na rin yung passport namin.
Ayun, ipakita mo sa passport mo, Bet. Hong Kong. Oh, Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Nag-waiting kami sa time for mag-open yung
Good morning,
boarding
everyone.
gate.
This is the final boarding call for remaining passengers traveling.
Kasama ko yung mga pamangkin ko. Sa RDBC. Tapos, doon yung kuya ko umihi yung mother ko. Saka si GB.
What's the use my phone?
Gisingin mo siya, hindi yan.
Greater Bay Airlines flight HJ2321 for Hong Kong is now inviting passengers who are seated on rows 30 to 33. Once again, rows 30 to 33 to board the aircraft now to gate.
Pasakay na sila sa aeroplano. Aeroplano. Haha. Vlog. Ang yang aeroplano. Ayan. Kuya gumna ng ambit. Pasakay na sa aeroplano. God bless us our trip.
Bumulot niya di.
Thank you. Sa aeroplano na sila.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seat back upright. Use of
Magabay
electronic
kayo, Liwang.
devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
1-0 tayo mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft is being refueled. As a safety precaution, please
So
unfasten
that
your
again,
seatbelt
igid.
and put your seat back upright. Use of electronic devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any spark-producing equipment is not allowed. Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Ito gitna, ito kay gitna. Yan ata. Yan kita niya. Liwang.
Subalin si
Nanang.
Oh.
Nanang.
Kasabot good.
Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card. Kung sa inyong kalagayan ay hindi magagampanan ang mga panuntunan ng exit row, ipagbigay ang sa inyong cabin crew sa mga sandali.
Desi. Lower back.
Di ba magbalik ko yung Raji Club?
Welcomes you to Hong Kong International Airport. Time now is 30 minutes past the hour of 7 in the morning, and there is no time difference between Manila and Hong Kong. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight crew, Captain Del Liosa with First Officer Nemenyo,
and First Officer Sosa, together with the rest of your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
女士们、先生们，我们现在。
Welcome to Hong Kong. Welcome to Hong Kong. Dito na kami sa Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Thank God. Ayaw, Hong Kong. Sila dito? Welcome Nanang to Hong Kong. Inayadam, welcome to Hong Kong. Liwang. Nang, ate ka Hong Kongan. Ate ka Hong Kongan. Welcome to Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Daisy and JB. Hey, thank you. Sila, kalalabas lang nila sa immigration ng Hong Kong. Ah, grabe. Nervous ako sa kanila. Okay ang lahat. Okay. Oh, the Hong Kongers.
Pasa kayo sa exam?
Nakapasa kayo manan? Oh my God.
Binirok na.
Wow.
Aeroplano naman ay.
Diyan nakita lang din.
Baka, pagpunta na tayo, Rory.
Ate the Hong Kong. Ah, kaya. Oh, okay. Bet, Niya ko naman, Day. Ano masasabi mo?
Susunod ulit.
Ah!
Nanang ah.
Nanang, niya ako namnang. Nang, niya ko nam. Kumusta ti biyahim? Mada. Anya madi nagbayad kasi na po Diyos nagtal na di aeroplano. Di ba? Oh, nakaturog ka pa, nakanganga ka pa nang. Kasla kahanga nagtatayab niya. Ngap dati kawan niya.
Kailangan gargaraw. Api magnagamit aeroplano.
Nya ko nam ambet at ka Hong Kongan. Nya ko nam.
Awang humanay ti may salamat. Thank you.
Hanggang may naggan nga di ka tumaga nagtour. Nyande turista na sande.
Yamen.
Ayaw. Yamen.
Di mo na.